What you're looking at are highly detailed concept interpretations of the 2027 Lexus NX, a pivotal moment for a vehicle that has become a best-selling benchmark in the compact luxury space. But simply refreshing the current generation won't be enough. The premium landscape is shifting rapidly, and later on, we'll explore the one controversial exterior detail that could change how buyers perceive this vehicle entirely. At first glance, the front fascia appears evolutionarily sharp, but study the grille structure. The AI generation correctly predicts the death of the traditional mesh spindle grille, replacing it with sculpted body panels that form the spindle graphic instead. This spindle body architecture, already seen on products like the RZ and the latest RX, is refined here, with vertical lighting elements integrated cleanly into the aggressive outer inlets. But the real architectural battle is visible from the side. Market expectations demand a larger, more accommodating NX to finally address criticisms about tight cabin space in the current model. We predict this next-gen NX will ride on an extended version of the Tinja platform, allowing for a longer wheelbase and significantly better packaging. Notice the sharp, angular character lines. They are unmistakably modern Lexus, yet smoother than the previous iteration. We anticipate a continuation of the F-Sport black trim packages, which contrasts beautifully with the aggressive multi-spoke dark alloy wheels and black mirror caps shown in this concept rendering. Moving to the rear, this design interpretation leans heavily into the wide, grounded stance that premium crossover buyers adore. The signature full-width LED light bar is present, naturally, but it terminates with a novel wraparound design, creating a wider graphic that visually anchors the car. The lower diffuser area is particularly aggressive, hinting at the performance aspirations Lexus may have for its higher-tier powertrains. But forget the exterior for a moment. This is where Lexus may have saved the best feature for last: the user experience. The previous two generations were defined by a steep learning curve in cabin technology. Look closely at this interior concept. It suggests a major shift, moving away from a single monolithic display toward a fluid cockpit approach, where the infotainment screen seamlessly blends into the digital driver cluster, possibly using advanced, integrated micro-LED tech. Here is the pattern interrupt. Contrary to current industry trends that eliminate real buttons, our projection shows a dedication to physical, tactile switchgear for volume, tuning, and critical climate controls just below the screen. This will be the decision that sells this car to traditional luxury buyers over competitor models requiring multiple screen taps for simple tasks. A quick look at the concept's second row suggests improved legroom, a predictable result if our wheelbase extension theory is accurate. You see the black leather and fine stitching, hinting at the expected continuation of top-tier Takumi craftsmanship. But the biggest surprise might actually be under the hood. Predicting the powertrains for 2027 requires understanding Lexus's dual-path strategy. We do not expect an immediate shift to full EV dominance. The most realistic setup is a continuation of current powertrain concepts, but with significant updates to efficiency and power. We predict the core offering will be an optimized 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine mated to an advanced fifth-generation self-charging hybrid system. This could push fuel economy past 40 mpg combined, making it the smartest choice for efficiency without the need for a plug-in lifestyle. A performance-focused F-Sport variant would likely adapt the new turbocharged hybrid system seen in the Grand Highlander or RX 500h, offering North American drivers well over 340 horsepower and the required confident, premium character to challenge powerful rivals like the BMW X3 or Audi Q5. We naturally expect a refined, confident driving experience defined by exceptional quietness and adaptive suspension that masks any pavement imperfection. It will be for the buyer seeking reliability, unparalleled build quality, and class-leading safety over bleeding-edge EV novelty. But all of this refined design and predicted hybrid efficiency will surely come at a premium price point. Expected pricing for the 2027 NX would likely follow realistic market trends, with a starting EMA SERP for the base hybrid model potentially hovering around the $47,000 mark, and a top-tier plug-in model exceeding $65,000. If Subaru, Lexus, or any brand launches their next hybrid in this segment with this level of design and technology, would you choose it over the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, Honda CR-V Hybrid, or Mazda CX-50 Hybrid? Let us know in the comments.